Okay, so I was recently in a Facebook forum and the question came up with, do you make an employee wear makeup or do you not wear makeup? And I come from the dress to be professional. And so I just kind of wanted to take like a little 5 minutes to show you what you can do to have a super natural facial look without looking overdone. So I'm gonna have a beauty blender, a tinted sunblock, a concealer, and for anybody that wants to maybe take it from day to night, a lip color. That's it. So I'm gonna spend maybe 5 minutes. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the concealer. So I'm just gonna do a couple dots here. This is Fresh Face by Erica. I absolutely love this concealer. It works really, really well. Then we're gonna take the Savvy Skin Tinted Sunblock. So this is a titanium dioxide sunblock with primer, sunblock. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with Jane Iredale BB8 because this makeup tinted my skin's a little dark, so I need a little bit more coverage to blend with my specific skin type. And then I'm gonna take the beauty blender and just kind of blend this all in. If you don't have a beauty blender in your life, I highly recommend that you get one. It really makes everything kind of look like a second skin, blends really beautifully, makes your makeup especially blend around the hairline and the neck, because we don't want to see any demarcation on the neck. We've all seen that person where it like kind of cuts off right here. And so there you have it. I started this video and it's already only been 2 minutes. And you can see this is just a pouncing motion. You actually wet this, and I got this referral from a client and I can't believe how much I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit more around the areas that I have the melasma, which we talked about before in some of the videos, and then I'm just gonna dab a little bit. And then for anybody that maybe wants to wear lip, you can, this is SuperStay by Maybelline. I think it was maybe $6. So there you have it. It's been 3 minutes and I'm just wearing a sunblock and lips and a little bit of concealer. There you have it.